Assalamu alaikum and good day. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Maruf Malik from Multan Public School and College. From Oxford Primary Mathematics 3, Chapter 4, Length, we are going to study lesson number 2, Length in kilometers and meters. In previous video, we have studied lesson number 1, Length in meters and centimeter. Hope you have understood it. What is length? We will revise it again first. Length. How far from here to there in? Distance. इतना डिस्टेंस कि यहाँ से वहाँ तक. It depends कि वो छोटा है या बड़ा है. It depends. Okay. The distance that is measured in kilometers, that is longer distance, and kilometers is a greater unit of length. Okay. Thousands of meters, a fourth worth to Dallas 50 kilometer. Okay, so kilometer is a greater unit of length or distance that can be measured. और जैसे भी आप कहीं ट्रैवल करते हैं तो मोस्टली आपने देखा होगा साइड पे बैनर्स लगे हुए होते हैं कि ये सिटी इतने किलोमीटर्स रह गया है. सो नेक्स्ट इज मीटर्स. A school bus about 10 meters from your stop. You can say that at a smaller distance that can be measured in meters. Centimeters, or that is a very next smaller distance, that is of your decks, can be top of your decks about 70 centimeter. It can be measured with the help of your scales or your meter scales, with the help of your meter scales. Millimeter is the smallest unit and it is measured with the help of your regular scale. Units of length. Why we are revising this? So that you can learn it properly and memorize it well. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeters is measured on your regular scale that you have at your home or you use it in the school. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That is a scale that is used by shopkeeper of clothes. They have a long rod that is of 1 meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters means a long distance, means that is measured for your roads. Okay. Millimeters means 10 multiplied to centimeters we will jump, and then we will multiply hundreds, we will jump to meters, and when we will multiply 1000 we will jump towards kilometers. Distance in meters and kilometers. Lynn runs 2800 meter. Find the distance in kilometers and meters. We have to convert our meter value in kilometers and meters. 2800 meters is a greater value and greater distance that Lynn is covering. Okay, so for meters we use m, for kilometers we use km. So 2800 meters, from this value we will separate 2000 meters and we will add 800 meters separately. 2000 meters equals 2 kilometer plus 800 meter. Your answer will be in kilometer and meters, that 2 kilometers plus and 800 meter Lynn has run to cover her distance. Lesson number 2, length in kilometers and meters, from your book page number 121. The length of a football field is 100 meter. What is the length of 10 such football fields? Count in hundreds to find out. Now, if one field has 100 meter length, then 10 field will have 1000 meter length. The length of 10 such football fields is 1000 meter, or you can say 1 kilometer. We write km for kilometer. 1 kilometer is the same as 1000 meter, or you can write it 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and that you have to memorize it very well. Okay, you can read this blue box. Kilometer or km is another unit of length. Okay. Page number 122 of book 3. Question number 2. What is the distance between the zoo and the bird park? Now, zoo is at one place and bird park is another place. So, we have to find the distance between the zoo and the bird park is, that is 19 kilometer. This boy wants to tell us something, that distance is a word used to describe the length between one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह के लंबे फासले को हम क्या कहते हैं, किस वर्ड से डिफाइन करते हैं? दैट इज डिस्टेंस. वी यूज किलोमीटर फॉर द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Cable car station till Sentosa. The distance from the cable car station to Sentosa is 1 kilometer and 650 meters. Now your question is in meters and kilometers, but we want your answer in meters. The distance is more than 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer and 650 meters equals 1000 meter plus 650 meters. Then when you will add them both, that will be equal to 1650 meters. With the help of this diamond shape, you can understand what is going here. Previously, in the previous page, you have understood that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer and 650 meters. अब 1 किलोमीटर इसको सेपरेट कर लें, उसको मतलब है 1000 मीटर एंड 650 मीटर्स को सेपरेट कर लें, और अब जब आप इन दोनों को ऐड अप करेंगे तो 1650 मीटर्स आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा. पेज नंबर 123 ऑफ बुक 3. Zinni's home till school has a distance of 1 kilometer and 400 meter, and Zinni's home till library there is a distance of 3500 meter. We have a first part to solve. What is the distance between Zinni's home and her school in meters? Look, they have given you the distance from school to Zinni's home or Zinni's home to till school in kilometer and meter. You have to convert your answer in meter. 1 kilometer and 400 meter equals means 1000 meter plus 400 meter. When you will add them both, you will have the answer in meters, that 1400 meter. 1 kilometer की वैल्यू 1000 मीटर है, दैट यू हैव स्टडीड बिफोर. और इसी तरह अगर 2 किलोमीटर होगा तो 2000 मीटर, 3 किलोमीटर होगा तो 3000 मीटर एंड अप टू सो ऑन टिल 9000 meter equals 9 kilometer. So you can take the help from this diamond shape. 1 kilometer, 400 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter and 400 meters separate. Add them both and you will have 1400 meter. The distance between Zinni's home and her school is 1400 meter. Got my point? Okay. B part. What is the distance between Zinni's home and the library in kilometers and meters? Now, what they have given you the distance in meters. Now they want you to convert this meters question into kilometer and meter. Now 3500 meter. I have told you if 3 kilometers is equal to 3000 meters and 3000 meters equals 3 kilometers. Both are same. So from this value of 3500 meter, we are going to separate 3000 meter plus 500 meter separate. Okay. Then 3000 meters means equals 3 kilometer and 500 meter. This will be your answer in kilometers and meters. The distance between Zinni's home and the library is 3 kilometer and 500 meter. Let's practice page number 124 of your book 3. Write in meters. A part is done, and with the help of A part you can do rest to B and C. 1 kilometer and 400 meter is equal to 1000 meter plus 400 meter equals, when you will plus them, 1400 meter is your answer. Question number 2. Write in kilometers and meters. A part is done. So 2350 meters equals you can take out 2000 from this value of 2350 meters, and 350 meters you will put them separate. 2000 meter means 2 kilometer, because you know that previously 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meters. So answer is in kilometer, and meter is 2 kilometer and 350 meters. Look at the question number 3. Look at the map and answer the questions. Now, distance from food center to Raju's house is 2 kilometer and 305 meters. From market to Raju's house, 1 kilometer and 75 meter. And from Raju's house to shopping mall, 4100 meter. Now your question is in meters and kilometers, so they can give you different type of questions. So first part is the distance between Raju's house and the dash is the shortest. Now you have to tell which is the shortest distance. From food center to Raju's house, the distance is 2 kilometer and 305 meters. And from market to Raju's house, 1 kilometer and 75 meters. So you can notice 2 kilometer is greater than 1 kilometer. So the shortest distance will be from market to Raju's house. The distance between Raju's house and the market is the shortest. B part. The distance between food center and Raju's house is, you have to convert 2 kilometers and 305 meters into meters. 2 kilometer means 2000 meter, 305 meters separate. Add them both, you will have your answer in meters, that 2305 meters. C part. Raju needs to travel 4 kilometer and 10 meter from his house to the shopping mall. So you are going to convert 4100 meter into kilometer and meter. 4000 you will put separately, and plus 100 meter. 4 kilometer and 100 meter is the total distance from Raju's house till shopping mall. Now you will be able to do your worksheet 2 of 3A, page number 129 to 132. Thank you and good luck.